Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to share with you some fragrances that I recently picked up. I would say that this has been about a month or two in the making. There are a couple that I got that I'm not going to show you in this video just because I'm doing a separate video for those. One of them you probably already have seen, and that is the Perfumes de Marly Cassili. So if you haven't seen that, make sure you check it out. But yeah, there will be other videos with some recent buys that I will be sharing separately. So just keep an eye out for that. So for today, I'm going to show you what I have here. There is one other fragrance that I've been waiting on to do this video, but I ordered it from Sephora during their little sale and I still haven't gotten it yet. So who knows if I'm even going to get it at this point. So I just decided to just go ahead and do this. So if you're interested in seeing things that I picked up, and just keep watching. Now what I will say is, I know I don't have to justify my purchases to you guys, but I have been selling quite a few perfumes on my Mercari page. So if you're interested in buying used perfume, definitely sign up for Mercari. I have a link down below. I'm pretty sure if you use the link, you get $10 off, like a $10 coupon or either a $5 coupon. I'm really not sure, but anybody who signs up gets that link. I'm not special. So if you're interested, sign up below. Some of these I did get from Mercari, like purchasing from other people, and I got a good deal on them. So let's get into the fragrance though. The first one I have here is Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Sun, and this is what it looks like. So yeah, this fragrance is discontinued, but you can still find it on some of the discounters website. I'm pretty sure I purchased mine from FragranceNet, and this is a flanker of the original light blue fragrance. To me, I've worn this a couple times, and I have to say it does not last very long. To me, this smells like light blue, but it has like coconut or a tropical edge to it. It's really nice, but like I said, it doesn't last very long. I've worn it only a couple times, and I feel like when I wore it, I couldn't smell it after about like an hour or two, which is really poor to me. So I'm gonna keep playing with this, but honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. I don't care about fragrances not lasting a long time, and you'll see that in this video, but an hour or two is pushing it. So I will say that the times that I wore this, I did go outside and it's super hot, so maybe that's why, or maybe I'm just nose blind to it. So I am gonna play with this a little bit more because I do really like the smell, and we'll see if I end up keeping this. Actually, I didn't get this from FragranceNet. I actually got this from Mercari. Next up is one that I ordered from Amazon, and it's one I've heard a lot about, and this is called Lattafa Raghba. Yes, so this is an Arabic, or yeah, I believe it's an Arabic perfume, and this smells really good, y'all. I was actually shocked. I was between getting this and what's the one that Keiko Beauty always talks about? Shagaf Oud. So I was between that and this. This was a little bit cheaper, and Shagaf Oud, I've heard, is supposed to be a dupe to Lancome Oud Bouquet, which I already have a dupe for that. So I decided to try this. I didn't know what it smelled like, but y'all, this is everything. The smell anyway. Again, this is not long lasting, which explains why it's probably only, this is like $25. But to me, when I initially smelled this, it reminded me of Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille. Now, I did not know it was gonna smell like that. And when I compare the two, they don't smell exactly the same, but it does smell pretty similar. So it has like a sweet, kind of smoky smell. Like there's honey and tobacco in it. I'm not sure of the notes, but this one is so, so beautiful, y'all. So, so beautiful. Like I said, it does not last all day, but I've actually been wearing this to bed a lot, and it's not there in the morning, but I don't feel guilty like spraying it all over myself multiple times because it's only $25 for this big 3.4 ounce bottle. So I've really been enjoying this. They also sent it with this body spray, but I feel like I've never sprayed the body spray on myself, but I sprayed it like in the air, and I feel like I can't smell it at all. But it was the same price with or without. So also, I know I said this smells like Tobacco Vanille, but this is like a softer version of Tobacco Vanille. So this is not a dupe, but it does smell very similar. So if you like Tobacco Vanille and you want to wear it like at all times, then maybe you can do this for your bedtime scent, or maybe you can do this for like summer. So yeah, I really like this. The next fragrance that I have here is from Mugler, and this is Angel Eau de Toilette. So if you know me, you probably know I love Angel Eau de Parfum, but I don't wear it very often because it is very strong and powerful and heavy. And so I usually only reserve that for the winter. But I do love the original Alien. So, I'm sorry, not Alien, Angel. So I've heard that the Eau de Toilette was nice for warmer months. And if you don't, like if the original Alien is too much for you, I've heard this was a nice version. And I have to say I really like this. I haven't actually worn it yet, but I have sprayed it a couple times, and it does definitely smell like the original Alien, but it smells a bit lighter, and it also smells like it has a bit of a fruitier turn to it. So I'm super excited to actually wear this one. I know this one is going to be a keeper for me because, like I said, I love Angel, and I knew that this was a pretty safe buy for me because if it still ended up being too heavy, I can just save it for the winter. I'm actually almost out of my regular Angel, so that's another reason I kind of wanted to try this one. Next up is a really super cheap one, and this is kind of like just a novelty, honestly, but this is called 4711, and it is like a citrus. Yeah, I think it's like orange blossom with some greenness to it. It smells really good, but this does not last at all. And I knew that when I purchased this. I think this was like $7. But I wanted to try it. It's a super old cologne, and it's meant to be like a body splash. You can actually get this in like really huge containers. And some people have actually been using this as hand sanitizer from what I've heard. I don't see the alcohol content on here, but I know I've heard about people using this as hand sanitizer, so hey, times are hard. But this is like a little cute thing for me to have, just like if I want to refresh myself, like when I wake up in the morning. It's very like uplifting and nice. And another reason that I wanted to pick it up is because I also picked up Tom Ford Neroli Portofino. And apparently Tom Ford Neroli Portofino is very similar to 4711. Now 4711 has been out for ages. I myself wouldn't call it a dupe. I do see the similarities though. So this is the Neroli Portofino. This one I did pick up on Mercari and got a great deal on it. It was brand new. And you have to be careful buying perfumes from alternate sites. But y'all, I have so much Tom Ford. I find it easy for me to see the fakes at this point. So yeah, I was very confident in this, and the price wasn't like so ridiculously low that you think that it's a fake, you know what I'm saying? So sometimes when you're shopping these sites, if the deal seems too good to be true, then a lot of times it is. Just keep that in mind. But anyway, Neroli Portofino I absolutely love. Like I said, you smell the neroli or orange blossom in it. It's very light, it's very uplifting. It has like a sparkling quality to it. So this is perfect for spring and summer. This is definitely unisex. I think a male or a female can pull this off equally as well. It is not the most long lasting, which is why I have been hesitant to buy this like full out, like for the full out retail price. So it is not the longest lasting. If that's a deal breaker for you, don't even waste your time on this one. But to me, the scent is so beautiful that I'm okay with it. On me, I think it lasts about 4 or 5 hours. And that's kind of typical of citrus scents. I do have a citrus video coming up that I was waiting to get this one in stock before I did that video. So, not in stock, what am I, a store? I meant this one to my house before I did that video. So speaking of Tom Ford, I also picked up Mandarino di Amalfi, also from Mercari. So again, this is another these two are very similar. This one definitely smells more orangey, so more like a mandarin, obviously. And it's very clean smelling, very fresh, very uplifting. These two fragrances are very like perfect for spring and summer. I would say summer especially, because sometimes when it's so hot, you just want to spray something on that makes you feel good. Like I'm kind of thinking maybe I should keep these in the refrigerator just because they have that refreshing quality to them. And I can imagine on a super hot day, like spraying a cold fragrance on myself, like that would be so beautiful. But yeah, again, not super long lasting. right now, I have only worn these a few times, so I don't know for sure, but I believe the Mandarino, the Amalfi, lasted a bit longer than the Neroli Portofino. But, you know, don't quote me on that because, like I said, I've only worn them a few times, so I'm really not positive on that. The next fragrance that I have is from Guerlain, and it's part of the Aqua Allegoria line, and this is Limon Verde. And this smells amazing, y'all. Amazing. So it's lime. It smells like lime and sugar and like some sort of like greenness in the background, like basil or something. I don't know. This smells really good though. Yeah, it definitely smells like basil. I'm not sure if basil is a note in it, but that's what it smells like to me. Lime, basil, and sugar, and it is excellent. It reminds me of a tropical drink, and this one does not last long either. I've only worn it one time, but on that one time I wore it, I was out doing a lot, like outside playing with my kids, and I know I applied it at least twice that day. So I know it's not long lasting, but I knew that going into it, so I'm not super upset about it. This is the smaller bottle, which I think is super cute. This can be kind of hard to find. It goes in and out of stock on some of the discounters websites, but if you can find it for a good price, I definitely think it's worth it, because I only paid like $24 for this, so it's not like I'm paying $100 for these bottles, y'all. So definitely recommend this if you love the smell of lime or lemon. This smells really good. So super happy with that as well. So for the last portion of this video, it's actually partially sponsored by Royalty Scents. They sent me a couple fragrances to try out, and I wanted to unbox them on camera with you all. They did not require me to make this video, but they did send them to me, so I wanted to be honest with you guys. So this is the box it came in, and I haven't opened this yet because I was waiting to unbox it with you all, but here we are here. Royalty Scents is like a subscription service for perfumes where you pay a certain amount per month depending on how many perfumes you want to get per month. And they do have like higher end luxury scents, which is what interested me about them. So that's what the packaging looks like. And oh, they come in boxes. That's cool. So they sent me 2 fragrances. And they do come in boxes that has the name on it. So the first one here is Tom Ford Vanille Fatale. And then the other one I have here is Christian Dior Ambre Nuit, which is from like their higher end line. So let's open the Tom Ford one first. Okay, cool. So the atomizer is really nice. It's wrapped in this plastic. Y'all, I've been staring at this box really wanting to open it. I knew it was inside, but I was waiting to open it on camera with you all. So this is what the atomizer looks like. It's really pretty. It's like this brushed gold at the top. And oh, it's a twist up. That's really nice. So apparently every time you order one of these, you get a new atomizer. So you don't just get like the perfume, you actually get an atomizer each time. So that's really nice. And it has the name of the perfume on the bottom, which is also nice. So this is Vanille Fatale. Y'all. So Vanille Fatale, I've never actually smelled. I wanted to smell it, and then this lockdown happened and I never got around to actually going into a store to smell it. So I was super happy to be able to get it from Royalty Scents, and this is excellent, y'all. It is vanilla. But it also smells like there's some incense or maybe even tobacco to it. It's like definitely a dark, deep vanilla. I think this will probably be too heavy to wear like right now during the day. It's probably too heavy and smoky for that, but this will be excellent at night, y'all. It kind of reminds me of tobacco vanille, but different. I don't know what makes them different, but it does remind me of tobacco vanille, but they do smell very different. Wow. It kind of reminds me of like an in-between of tobacco vanille and black orchid. So you know, black orchid is very polarizing and it's very different. This is not like that. It's like the cleaner, cuter version of Black Orchid. Yeah, definitely. And I also think this is a unisex, so I'm super excited to wear this, y'all. I don't have anywhere to wear it to right now because it's not like I'm really going on dates, but I will probably wear it around my house for like a movie date with my husband or something. So I'm super excited to wear that. And then the other one I definitely never smelled, and this is from Christian Dior, and this is Ambre Nuit, which seems to be a popular one from the Maison Christian Dior line. This is one that I've been wanting to try. So let's see. I like that. It smells different than what I expected. I feel like I smell, right now I don't really smell any amber in it. I smell like sandalwood. This is very nice though. It's like spicy and woody and warm. Could definitely see this being worn by either a male or a female. So far so good. So I haven't had a chance to actually wear either one of these, so I have to reserve my judgment on the scents for a later date. But I am really excited to try these out. If you're interested in Royalty Scents, I will leave a link to them down below. Thank you, Royalty Scents, for allowing me to try these out, and I am super excited to wear these, y'all. Super excited. I think so far Vanille Fatale is my favorite, but y'all know I'm a Tom Ford fan, so no surprise there. I don't know, this Ambre Nuit is warming up. It smells really good, y'all. So that is it for my fragrance haul. Let me know down below if you've picked up any new fragrances recently, if you found any deals, have you been splurging? I want to know. Let us talk about it in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you click the thumbs up button. That really helps my channel out. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.